Most breaches don't start with an exploit clue. They start with a design decision, and Aribot catches that flaw before you write any code. Aribot threat models your entire architecture at design time, automatically, and it does this in 3 clear, repeatable steps. First, it maps your architecture, importing your live infrastructure and diagrams into one connected, interactive model. Then it generates the threats, reasoning across Stride, the MAESTRO 7-layer model, and the Ayurak Threat Modeling framework. The result is a living model of your architecture, where every single node is clickable, scored, and fully threat-aware. Click any node, and Aribot shows you its threats, the defenses already in place, and every attack path that leads to it. And when that threat model is missing, attackers quietly find the gaps, Vus. Stolen keys, poisoned tools, and overprivileged agents. Every threat Aribot finds is mapped to MITRE ATT&CK and ATLAS, and then scored by its real, business-weighted risk. Your architecture is modeled against Stride, the Ayurak Threat Modeling framework, NIST, and the OWASP standards auditors expect. So design the risk out before you ever build it. THOOTH, threat model first. This is Aribot by Aristiun.